When is the best period to go to Phantasialand? How to arrange your travel, where to sleep, how to get there? Let's find it out. I suggest end of November because it's when Winter Traum starts, which is the Christmas celebration in Phantasialand. The park is flooded with lights and decoration. There is all the Christmas food and drinks on offer. There are special shows as well as an ice rink and different exhibitions. Every day they even add real snow in different places of the park to make it feel even more special. On top, during Winter Traum, the park is open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., which allows plenty of time to visit, plus the opportunity to ride the Taron, Fly and any other coaster at nighttime, which is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As this festival is quite popular, the park might get really busy, so avoid weekends and use my technique to identify the best day to visit. Link in the description. On a weekday with schools open, you might find the park empty, which means 0 minutes of queue on any single attraction, including Taron and Fly. In terms of tickets, I suggest the 2 days, 1 night pack at Charles Lindbergh. I've got a video review on the whole package. I'll put the link in the description as well. In terms of travel, I suggest Cologne because it's going to be the easiest way to fly there or to get there by train. Then from Cologne you can get either a train or a tram that goes directly to Brühl, and then from there you can move by shuttle bus or by public bus to the theme park. If you're flying, there is a direct train from the airport to the Cologne city center, and the station is in front of the cathedral. In front of the cathedral is where you're gonna catch your tram or train to go to Brühl and then go to the theme park as well. Apart from a night in Phantasialand, I suggest to extend your stay in Cologne. Cologne is not a big city, everything is walking distance, and it's got a really nice pedestrian city center. In the same period, in Cologne, there are lots of Christmas markets, which are amazingly themed as well. And there is, again, typical products, Christmas food. It's really nice to visit. So I would say stay in Phantasialand, then extend for another couple of days in Cologne, visit all the Christmas market, visit the cathedral, walk around Cologne, and you're gonna have a lovely long weekend in between Phantasialand and Cologne itself. For the accommodation in Cologne, there is plenty of offers, but try to stay in the pedestrian area and close to the cathedral train station, because this is where you're going to commute to the airport and to the theme park, but also you're going to be walking distance from all the Christmas markets. Enjoy your stay in Phantasialand and Cologne, and if you found this video interesting, please subscribe.